Wow!
The snow glows wet on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away, slam that door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway.
So weird.
I can hear you, but I want some look for trouble while others don't. There's 1,000 reasons I should go about my day and ignore your whisper, which I wish it would go away. I had my adventure, I don't need something new. I am afraid if I follow you. Into the unknown.